to the channel. I'm your girl Shadi Boo if you are new here. If you are not new here, then so today we are going to be trying the new E.L.F. glow. So I was gonna do like a whole little face situation, but I decided I'm just going to use this alone so we could really see the effectiveness and how it, you know, the glow from the unglow, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's get into it. Wiping my face off with a beauty cloth, anything that suits your skin. Now, I'm a really big fan of E.L.F. because I started out using E.L.F. products. And I was like, you know what? Let me try. I'm into trying new things. Anything that is simple and basic. Like, I'm not a, like, whole type of 20-step makeup kind of girl. Like, I love the makeup, no makeup look. That works for me. I could use this. Or I could use this. I think I'm going to use this first. And then I'm going to just, you know, smoothing that out with that. Now, it says that you could apply over foundation. But I would suggest, from how I've seen it being worn, that you wear by itself. So you see. And it's thick. I hope you guys can hear me because the shower is on, but let's make it do what it do. Let me tell you something. This Halo Glow is very light. What I love about it the most is that you could wear it under your makeup as a primer. You could wear it over your makeup as a highlighter, or even by itself, and it gives you like a little dewy finish. There are actually 12 different shades that it comes in. And let's not forget, it does not run you no more than $15. Talk about pretty on a budget. I know y'all can see that. Look at that. You see the shimmer? I'm telling you, you don't need anything else, like, at all. So you see the difference? This side and that side, plain Jane. Then this side. I love it. I love it. I'm glad I got it. It's very light. It's not heavy. 1, 2, 3. You know how we do all this, especially for the ladies, for the girlies who love simple and quick, minimalist, and don't, you know, where less is more. This is it. It's doing something. And what I love about it is I love how the brush is so thick. Comes out just enough for what you need. And you good to go. So, yeah. And even right now, you could see the shimmer. Like, you can see it. Vacation. Y'all know when y'all glam up and put on that good shimmer on your body. And, you know, usually we use a little highlighter right here. You don't even need all of that. You just put this on, put a little eyeliner, put your little lashes, a nice little lip liner, even if you just want to do a lip gloss. This right here, yeah, you need to have this in your makeup collection. So I am going to put the link to this product, E.L.F. product, down in the description box. I hope you guys like it. Go get you some of that Halo Glow, okay? The glow is glowing, okay? All right now. Love y'all.